Let's design a new reality.
It is about stopping the craziness. Let me tell you what the craziness is. The craziness is thinking that today we can predict what consumers will want in 1 year. That is craziness. It's not possible. I don't think I can predict what consumers want next month. I know that there's some inspirational designers in this room that already understand this very well and are looking for supply chains that can actually make it happen. My appreciation to all of the Kornit team. You guys have been wonderful. But once we understood what was possible, there was no way we're not going to be part of it. We are excited to be part of this Kornit story. And I can tell you, I am really looking forward to understanding what extraordinary creative minds adding extraordinary new tools can achieve.
The consumer is the one who has the wallet. They will dictate how things will be done going forward. And the brands, retailers that do not change to that will die. And I'm using that word, die. They will go away.
What Kornit is enabling is connecting the virtual world with the physical world. And this is going to unleash really the creativity and the on-demand production.
It was absolutely phenomenal to set up a micro factory where we designed, developed, printed, cut, sewed, and gave it to people live.
Yes, we can give people everything they want. Style, quality, fit, color, comfort, and, oh, by the way, sustainably made, ethical, fair trade, certified organic or biodynamic, biodegradable, recycled, circular, low impact dyed, digitally printed, and all that yummy stuff. Let's wear the change we all wish to see in the world.
We only succeed if we can create standards of interoperability and business agreements and ways to work together. We become stronger.
Great designers are designing beautiful products that people want to wear. And when you can do that one at a time, then you truly have the opportunity to create the sustainable, enduring product in people's wardrobes. And so I think that's why on-demand manufacturing is a win for sustainability.
Right. So when I went to the fashion show, I was able to attend the fashion show at 9:30 last night, which was incredible, by the way. I mean, so far beyond what I was envisioning in my mind. So congratulations to the Kornit team and everyone who put it together with customization, with using large-scale manufacturing like Bella Canvas has, where you lessen the waste because you have very strict processes and protocols. As an industry, we can make big changes, and I think we have a responsibility actually to do that.
To be able to see these amazing creations with the opportunity of a tool like the Kornit printer in a venue that's been offered to display them is just amazing. So thank you. It was incredible for me to see all this.
Kornit has quite a solution here, and with everybody here seeing all this, it gets everybody's gears going, and there's so many great things that can happen.
Can I be profitable for the designer? You can't look at costs, what the cost of the garment is to cut and sew. We're going way beyond that. We're taking out all the headaches, all the things where things can go wrong all the time, all the management, all the staffing. We alleviate it all, and then we have the solution right here. You know, it's absolutely 100% the way forward.
I think that there's been this rhetorical question about is on-demand or making one at a time scalable? And I can tell you from my experience, because we're doing it, absolutely it is.
All of the stuff that we've seen this week is beautiful, but we've been focused on helping designers figure out how to make it also producible in the right price point and turnaround times and easily replicable structures if you are going to produce it across a distributed network, and consistency and quality and color saturation and all the things.
I would love to partner with some people here that have those bigger roofs.
This is why we're doing what we're doing.
I think we'll all look back and go, yes, it was the Kornit show in LA that was the tipping point.
So. Let's hope.